Well, today's an exciting video. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we will be checking out the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm super excited to check this guy out, especially the photography features. As you guys know, this is Apple's flagship phone and I'm really excited to check out the camera. We've got some new and exciting features that we've never seen in smartphones before, so I'm really excited to test out this camera, see what it can do, and just for kicks and giggles, we're gonna see how it compares to my professional mirrorless cameras as well. So one particular thing that I'm really excited for is the sensor shift that has been added to the smartphone. This is the first time that we've seen this type of technology put into a smartphone before, so I'm really stoked to see what it can do. If you don't know too much about this phone or what they've been doing, they included a technology that's usually found in mirrorless cameras. So for example, I've got my little Sony camera here, and here we have the sensor inside. The sensor is built inside of a cradle, which then will shift around to kind of compensate for the handshakes or vibrations that you get when you're holding it. And it's really exciting to see this technology make its way into a phone. Now, Apple claims that its sensor shift can stabilize up to 5,000 times per second, which is pretty crazy. So I'm excited to see what kind of differences that makes in photography. Because this iPhone is a little bit bigger, they were able to put in a larger sensor. And if you don't know what that equates to, that actually means that more light will hit the sensor, which basically it's a good thing. Your pictures will be sharper and you'll be able to take better photos in low light conditions. So let's crack this open and see what this phone has to offer. All right, so we're about to test out the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is my little sister and she will be my model, so thanks for letting me annoy you. And we'll see how the Canon R5 performs against the iPhone.
Like inching. Lift your left foot just a tiny bit and turn it to the right. Look the other way now. Just keep changing things.
I was really surprised with how these images came out, and don't you worry, we're still going to compare it to my Canon R5. And I think you can easily tell which is which, but just for fun, I'm not going to label these quite yet, and let's see if you can guess which is which camera. Now, some may argue that it's not a very fair comparison as this is a smartphone, but I still think this is a relevant comparison to make to kind of show the strides in technology. But yeah, enjoy this little comparison.
Well, that's it for this video, checking out the iPhone 12 Pro Max, specifically for photography purposes. If you'd like to see a version where we try out the cinematography of this phone, definitely drop that in the comments below and let me know if that's something you want to see. If you like this video, like it, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.